Today, we address the grave humanitarian crisis unfolding in Gaza. The Gaza Government Media Office has issued a dire warning. 3,500 children are at imminent risk of dying from malnourishment due to a severe lack of food, nutritional supplements, and vaccines. This alarming situation highlights the urgent need for international intervention to save these vulnerable lives. In parallel developments, the Lebanese armed group Hezbollah has released drone footage showing surveillance of the Israeli port city of Haifa. The situation in Gaza has been further exacerbated by multiple deadly Israeli strikes, particularly in the Nuseirat refugee camp in central Gaza. Tragically, at least 9 Palestinians waiting for aid trucks in Rafah were killed and several others critically injured by Israeli fire. The ongoing conflict has resulted in staggering casualties. Since October 7th, at least 37,372 people have been killed and 85,452 injured in Israel's war on Gaza. In Israel, the revised death toll from the Hamas-led attacks stands at 1,139, with dozens of individuals still held captive in Gaza. The Israeli regime's blockade of Gaza has created a catastrophic humanitarian crisis, particularly for children. The Gaza Media Office reports that 335,000 children are living under extremely difficult conditions due to genocide, displacement, and the devastating effects of Israeli aggression. These children are suffering from acute malnutrition, which makes them vulnerable to infectious diseases, impedes their growth, and threatens their survival. The media office has urgently appealed to all the international community to take immediate action to save the children of Gaza. The Wafa news agency reported that a Palestinian child recently died from starvation at Al-Aqsa Martyrs Hospital in Deir al-Balah, central Gaza, due to blockade of the Rafah crossing. Israel seized control of the Palestinian side of this crossing on May 7th.